Understanding sleep cycles.
Sleep cycles are patterns of light, deep, and dreaming sleep that repeat every 90 to 120 minutes throughout the night. Knowing how these cycles work can help improve your sleep quality. Even without special gadgets, you can learn to recognize your own patterns by paying close attention to how you feel when you wake up and throughout the day.
Identifying your natural sleep patterns.
Start by going to bed and waking up at the same times each day. Notice the times when you feel most refreshed or groggy after waking. People often wake up naturally at the end of a sleep cycle, feeling more alert. If you wake with an alarm and feel tired, you may be interrupting a cycle.
Using a sleep journal.
Keep a sleep journal by recording when you fall asleep, when you wake up, and how you feel each morning. Over several weeks, patterns will start to emerge. Look for trends, such as the number of hours that consistently leave you feeling refreshed, to estimate your ideal sleep cycle length.
Tuning in to body signals.
Your body offers subtle cues about your sleep cycles. Notice if you wake briefly during the night, even if just for a moment. These natural awakenings often mark the end of a cycle. Tracking these moments can help you understand where transitions occur in your sleep.
Routines for better sleep insights.
Establish a relaxing pre-sleep routine and limit screen time before bed. Try to wake up without an alarm on weekends to observe when your body naturally ends a sleep cycle. Over time, these mindful habits will help you better understand and align with your unique sleep patterns.